Hi guys, we are Food Geek and today we are at the Bazaar Ramadan in Stutong market and we're going to bring you to taste some of the best food that Bazaar Ramadan has to offer. I'm Welly, by the way.
I'm Gladys. Hello.
And let's go.
Let's go.
I think people are still fasting, so we're gonna get somewhere far away from the crowd and we're gonna try it and let you know how it tastes like. Okay?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
now
Let's
we're
go.
gonna check out the food and we're gonna buy some.
Let's go.
Macam mana Bu? Oh, letak kacang dengan itu. Oh, brown sugar. Boleh Bu? RM2 dah.
Are you sure?
This is putu mayung. Putu mayung basically they said that is Indian food, Indian origin. So do you see how they make it?
Dia makan campur semua ke? Macam makan nasi. Oh, okay.
Makan kompor boleh. Thank you. This is the famous lekor. Colorful guys.
Daun kari, kita manis.
So guys, this is what we call apa balik. Guys, oke, come. Halo bos, halo. Berapa bos? Wow, look at that. Yes.
So much for you to know what to eat.
Mari. Sontong. Selfie.
Ini berapa bos?
Ini gam. RM3.
RM3.
12. Tak bang?
Okay guys, we got almost everything that we need.
Yeah.
We have okay, I'm not gonna explain to you. Let's just go and eat.
Let's-
Okay? guys, look at this. Okay, we are going to cut. We're gonna cut this into half. Oh, sauces.
Yung melimpia, sauce melimpah lah.
This is a little too saucy for me.
Mine is just nice. See, I'm so neat.
Yeah, why? Taste wise, I think the amount of meat is a little too little.
Okay, I really wish there was more meat. I
Yeah,
feel
more
like
meat,
there's
yeah.
just more egg.
Yeah, and more egg. What's this? What's this? Take it out.
Ta-da!
The lot there again. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
The flavor is very, it reminds me of the mama stall you go at night. It's nice, just that it's a little bit dry for me.
Memang is dry one.
Mema is dry, eh?
Oh.
So sorry guys, I'm not familiar with this food.
Ta-da!
Oh,
Okay, actually, does the sauce, the cheese, everything tastes exactly
Yeah,
like
like-
KFC.
yes. I like this. Can I have more? Okay, here first.
Is this the...
Kebab or something? Yeah, I've never seen this kind of kebab. It's more like a burger, like sloppy Joe. How is it?
Not bad, not bad. I know I went gotten another.
Memang dia meleleh. Okay, this is sweet, slightly spicy, but the taste is really good.
Yeah,
It's really good.
very good combination of flavors.
Huh. This is what we call as putu mayung. So I get brown sugar and shredded coconut, right?
Yes.
Whoa, this is quite nice. Oh. It would be even better if they use gula apok. Very nice. Sedap.
Okay,
So
I'm
guys, we
gonna
got a small sotong. We saw them hammering the sotong like really.
Stutong
Sotong makong lah.
top
Oh, tetok.
with sambal. Sambal always make things better. Let's go. It's chewy, not too hard. Actually, not bad. You should try it.
Okay, we're gonna have some drink now.
Okay, let's go.
You know, after all the food that you had, it's time for a refreshing drink like milk tea.
Could be a bit less sweet, but it's okay. Not bad. Not too bad.
I think mine is just nice. So basically, we have a bit of jinjao also inside.
Got ginger? Oh yeah. Thank you so much for watching us on going on a food expedition today at the Ramadhan Bazaar here in Stutong, Kuching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as we enjoy ourselves walking and eating around in
Yes,
this
eating.
hot,
We eat a lot.
hot weather.
Follow us in the next episode where we show you how to cook, roti john, kebab, and so on, so that you know how to cook those meals at home as well. Bye bye.
Bye.